Hey guys, welcome back to HubClick. In this video, I'll be showing you how to get Instagram API key access token. But first, check our special offer in the description. So let's get started. So if you want to start using API in Instagram here, well, this one is quite easy. So the first thing that you want to do is you want to go ahead and just open up any browser here and just access the following website. It's going to be developers.facebook.com. Now, in here, you may need to log in. So in this case, you want to go ahead and just log in at the top right here. But in my case, I'm already logged in. Just go and click on My Apps. Now, this will show you all the apps you currently have. But since we are creating a new one and we're new to this platform, you want to go and click on Create App at the top right here. And once you've done that, you want to go and click on Create App. And you want to go and just add a app name for it. So in my case, I'm going to say it is going to be an Instagram app. And let's go and click on Next. Now, from here, you want to go ahead and make sure that you don't contain certain terms. So they regularly update this. So let's just say it is going to be Inst app. Let's go and click on Next. Let's go ahead and update this very quickly. So I'm just going to say testing app. Click on Next and see if that works. Yes, that works. And what you need to do next is you want to go and click on Others at the very bottom section of your screen and click on Other and click on Next. Now from here, what we need to do is you want to go ahead and either choose either consumer or business, but in our case, let's go and choose business here and click on Next. Now for details, you want to go and just confirm a few things, but we are good with this one. Let's go and click on Create App. Now, in this case, you may want to, they may require you to log in. So go and just enter your password here and click on Submit. Now, once you've done that, you should be able to see, the add products to your app section. So let's go and click on Setup for Instagram. And this will redirect you to another page, which should allow you to start adding or setting up your API. Now, this might take a while. So in this case, you should be able to see your app name. Now, in here, you want to go and start setting up accounts or generating access tokens. So in this case, you want to go to the app roles at the left side here, go to the test users, and you want to go and click on create test users. And by the way, you want to go to roles here. So you want to go and click on add people, and you want to go and just start adding people here. So I would highly recommend you to add a tester first, and you want to go ahead and just basically show rules here. Let's go and add a username for this one. So let's go ahead and basically add the username for the user that we want to add in here. So for example, this one, let's go and click on add. And you just need to accept the notification that you are going to receive for this specific Instagram account. So there are going to be some notifications here. You need to accept that. So go and just switch over to your Instagram account. So in your Instagram account here, you want to go and click on the More button at the left side here, and you want to go ahead and choose the Settings option. Now from here, what we need to do next is you want to go ahead and scroll down a bit here, and you want to look for the option that says Website Permissions. Now from here, you should see Apps and Websites, and you want to go ahead and basically look for any invites that you may have received. So in this case, and yeah, also just make sure that you're logged into the correct account, but this is what you should look like. So this is going to be tester invitations. Just click on accept, and that should accept your permission. So once we go back into our previous page here and just reload this real quickly, it should now approve our access. So we now have our Instagram user tester. So if you go to Instagram here, go to setup with Instagram login. You should now be able to see the Instagram app name and the Instagram app ID here, the generate access tokens here. Go and click on, you can go and expand this one to see all the Instagram accounts. Now, in order for you to use the token, you just need to click on the generate token at the bottom of your the token section here. If you click on it, it should allow you to generate the token, but it may require you to re-log in into your account. So just go ahead and just re-log in into your account. Now, they may also require you to switch over to a professional account, so just follow the on-screen steps. It's going to be pretty easy. But in here, you want to go and just provide the necessary permission. So let's go and click on Allow here and just wait for a while. And once it's properly loaded up, it's now going to allow you to see your token. So you can go and just click on I understand, and you should be able to see your access token here and even click on copy. Now, you can only share this token to it is important that you share this to your developers only that you trust. So these are really important. So make sure that you actually trust that specific person. But yeah, so if you click on understand, you should be able to copy your token here and start sharing this. But in this case, that's about it. So for this video, hopefully hit the like and subscribe button and watch our next video.